This conference will now be recorded.
Thank you so much. And share. So how we will edit the staffing model? So in the particular or supervisory organization, go to related actions. Yeah, Bhagiraj came. Hi Bhagiraj. Go to related actions. Go to organization and edit staffing model. So this is the scenario to edit the staffing models. But let the condition apply. So once you done with the hiring, so once the candidate join in the department, you cannot edit the staffing model then. Once the candidate hires, we cannot edit staffing model. Even though the staffing model edit option will not be available in the organization of the related actions of that particular supervisory organization. Okay, so coming to the another topic called jobs and positions. Along with we are going to discuss about compensation and business process definition. So in the staffing models what we have created, what we have discussed, so we discussed about only like theoretical part of the staffing models, but here in the jobs and positions we are going to discuss about in detail topics of both jobs and positions, how to create and what are the details to do these things and all we are going to discuss about. So when using position management staffing model, we will fill unfilled positions prior to the initiating the hire. Okay. And also in the job management, so we will create a job group before going to hire the or before going to start the hire process. So for position management, we need to fill unfilled position, either either it is a new position to fill or the existing employee have moved to the another company or another department or another any other organization or another location. So whatever the reasons are, so reasons are like hire, job change, transfer, promote, demote, anything should be. So definitely for hire means we need to create a position which should be unfilled. So in that unfilled position we will hire the candidate, or if any existing position that particular candidate have been transferred or promoted or demoted or terminated, so that time immediately the position will become open again, so which is like unfilled. So again we will fill the position over there by doing the hiring process. But in the job management it's not like that. So once we create the job group, anytime you can hire the people, so there is no unfilled positions and all. So the job group will be created in hire process. Okay, so here we don't need to do any inactive or anything, but here in the position, if there is no requirement to hire the candidate for in these below reasons or anything, so we need to make it that position as an inactive. And Here in the jobs and positions to create, there are number of required data fields is will be included in the hiring process. It includes like job profiles, how it enables like, so like general characteristics of the position. So job profile is one of the important step where we need to enable the general characteristics to fill the position or to fill the job management things and all. So what are the general fields to fill means general, we used to call general data fields like special skills, education, experience, uh, location, job, families and groups, so etc etc. So everything we will enable or we will design I mean like we will specify in the job profile itself. So a job profile can be used to create like multiple positions or multiple jobs also. For each and everything, before going to start hiring process of position management or job management, the job profile is the important key process to follow. Okay, and in the job profile, especially in workday, so if you want to categorize the job profile, we will create job families, as I already told you, job levels, job group, etc. Like worker type and also the restrictions will come here. But based on these three things, so we will define the job profile for which is suitable to position management or job management. And also along with this creation of job profiles, hiring restrictions also very important to define the exact requirement of both job and position management in the hire business process. Okay, so hiring restrictions also will be important for both position and job management. But in the position management, to set the hiring restrictions, the task is nothing but called as create position. But in and also in the job management, to set the hiring restrictions, the task is called as set hiring restrictions. So this is another important point. In interviews, interviewers used to confuse us for job or position management. What is the task? To set the rules and conditions. They will ask like that. There is no particular task. We need to create the position. That's it. For job management, anyways, the answer will be there in the question itself. We will set the hiring restrictions over there. Okay. So let me create a job profile now. Go to tenant. So the task name is nothing but called create job profile. So what are the tasks that we need to create here means In the job profile, create job profile, create job classification to fill the job description. I mean, like, what are the job description details? So, what is the candidate profile that you require? So, this part and all we will fill in the job description. Create job family, and we'll create job level. So, these are the things that we need to create. Especially these three we will create before going to start the job profile creation task. Along with this, it is common for both position and job management. So task is same of creating the job profile. And after creating this job profile, we need to discuss about compensation also. So today I will create this job profile. In tomorrow class, I am going to discuss about the compensation part. Very important. And Monday we will discuss about business process. After that only I will explain the flow here. Okay. These are the topics that we need to discuss priorly to start the hire process, to start hiring restrictions process and hire process. So without this discussion, without this discussion topics, we cannot go for the hiring process. So let me create one job profile called. So I am going to create job profile for CEO, CTO, for position management, and HR executive and sales executive or software engineer for job management. Today, this is our task to create 4 job profiles. The task is nothing but called create job profile. Meanwhile, job description for CEO. CEO and CTO, not R. So I am going to take one sample one. Sometimes we used to get job descriptions from the clients, or else they will ask us to prepare ourselves only through business analyst. So that is different process, but maximum times we will get from the client itself. They will not take risk for this job profile creation and all. Okay, 2 job descriptions I have opened for position management. So what is the date that I am going to take, effective date from today itself, or from tomorrow, or from Monday onwards? So whatever the date that you are going to give, so from that date onwards only, the job profile will be on the process. So we can give July 1st also, until and unless we cannot able to discuss this topic. So for this case, I am going to take today's date only. So what is the job profile name? Chief. And what is our organization name?
Software Solutions.
Global
Global
Soft.
Solutions, right? So what is job profile name is Chief Executive Officer. And what is the job profile job code that I am going to give? GSS, Global Software. GSS CEO is my job code. I don't want to include this code in the job profile email. Please copy the same profile name in the job by title default also. And if you want to restrict to any country, you can. And what are the management levels that we do have? So normally these are all defined by Workday team based on our propositions also. So whatever you want to take, I mean like ML1 or ML2, ML3, ML4, ML5, or like that also you can give the details. So in the place of supervisor, you can make it as a TL or something. So like that you can define yourself, but not by customized. So you need to raise the discussion with the Workday team itself while creating these things and all. So these are all the basic things. These are all the basic things before going to take the deployment process. The discussions will happen more than the deployment. I mean like in prayer primarily we are going to take this work day. So before going to deploy the data and all, so whatever the data we do have, so that data they will check, and especially the headings and all, based on that they will configure these things and all. As per our requirement they will change this process and all. So some in few companies, instead of board of directors, they will keep it as a managing director. After that CEO, after that remaining people will come accordingly. So that is based on the different organizations.
So when a new role is being introduced in the company, is it possible to add it, or
Of course we
it
can
can be
add
auto?
that, but
Okay.
only it can be happen with the Workday team itself. They will not give the access to us to define ourselves as a customized way.
Okay.
Okay, and here I am going to select Chief Executive Officer. In my company, in the level 1 position, I have like group of directors. There are 3 group of directors are there. In the second level, we don't have any Chief Executive Officer. So we have directly called Managing Director. So he will be in the second level. And remaining third and fourth remaining follows the same. And come to the job level and job family. We need to create these two. One second, guys. I'm taking water. So as I told you, we need to create job family, job level, and job classification. So please open a duplicate window. In this condition, I mean like in this creation process, these things are not mandatory. Only these two things only mandatory, but it is vary from company to company. In IBM, you guys, I mean like in IBM TNN, what will happen means all the fields are mandatory itself. You cannot skip any field here. So each and everything is mandatory to fill. So that is your option to provide to explain the things to Workday team members. So here what will happen, Workday team directly will not involve in our setting the process and all. They will have the service partners like Amazon, sorry, I'm not Amazon, Accenture, uh, Collaborative, Capgemini, Deloitte. These guys will involve with us. So directly Workday team will not communicate with us. So these guys are the mediators in between Workday and customers. Take effective date. If you give tomorrow's date, so here in the job profile, sorry, in the job level, the process will not be available. Create job level. Hi Joseph.
Priyanka, sorry I'm late. I just came from office right now.
No problem. My lady is working, recording the video. No problem. She will be there to record the video.
Thank you so much.
So here we need to create the job level hierarchy. As I told you, hierarchy will not play any role. It is just like a label. So to hold the things and all under one area, we will create the job level hierarchy. So there is no particular process to create job level. So only hierarchy, including the job level, we need to create. So I am going to give the name called global management level. So here we cannot able to add anything. So automatically wherever you are going to use, so that order will come here. So in this job profile we are going to use, right? So that job details and all will come here in this hierarchy. And create job family. So here you can create both. So what are the options that we do have? Create job family and job family group. I mean like, so same like that. Organization types, whatever we have discussed, like creating individual and calling into the one group. So same like the process. For now, I am going to create job family called chief level family. So global software chief level. So I didn't create any job family group. Please create job family group also. So GSS chief family group. See here, both are mutual understanding process. So once you say okay here, please call, and any summary or description if you want to give, please give accordingly. Same in the job family, please call the group. So see, automatically the group have been added in the job family called global software chief level. Okay, so once you add in one group, automatically it will inherit to the individual also. So I have created job family and job level. Now I am going to create job description. Here we are going to add the job description, sorry, job classification. So please give the job classification name for which position that you are going to do. GSS CEO. I am going to mention as JD. So I'm not going to map to any job classification group which already existing. This is the first one. So I'm not going to select any country also because it is going to applicable for to all the organizations wherever I have created. So the job classification ID, what I am going to give, GSS CEO. These are all these things, whatever we need to fill the values, that values will provide by the clients itself. So Just say okay, this description and all we will call in the job profile itself. Say that. So I have created level, job family and description part also. The data I will add here in the job profile, summary, description and additional job description. So what is the job level? Global management level. It's a group I have called. And the category. There are like different categories are there. So normally we used to select either top level management, or normally we used to select as a direct labor. Don't assume labor in another meaning. So here in workday, labor is nothing but direct worker, I mean like permanent worker. So indirect labor is nothing but contingent worker. Sales labor is nothing but who will be in the sales, and non-sales labor is nothing but that guys will be in the sales team only, but that guys will not do any sales and all. And professional IT consulting. So based on the functions, these things will come. So I'm going to select direct labor and come to here the job classification. And here in the job profile summary, please copy the data. And for job description, please call roles and responsibilities. And additional job, anything to add, no issues. If you don't add also, nothing will happen. If you don't add these fields also, nothing will happen automatically. By taking these two fields, job profile will create accordingly. So what is mean by company insider type? So any idea about company insider type? End users,
Whether it's kind of IC or managerial role,
come again.
the job which will be like an individual contributor or managerial type.
No. Remaining, any idea? There is completely different meaning with this company insider type.
I guess the description depends for external and internal.
No.
Okay.
Those who are dealt with stocks and all, so that guys are called as company insider type. Along with the salary, for some positions, company will offer shares also, such as bonds, stock related shares, any other for security process. To hold that main position in the company, the companies will offer shares also to that employee. So that employee can opt that offer shares, along with that he can buy the shares of the company also. So after some time, that guy can become one of the group of director also. Okay, say for example, you can take CEOs of branded companies, along with that salary, along with their salaries, they will have company shares also in the organizations. So those that guys are called as company insider type. So only these few guys only will have that access to become as a company insider type. Okay, enables you to track which employees are considered company insiders for reasons of purchasing the stocks and all. So for all employees, it will not be available. Only for C-level guys or group of directors, that guys only can able to purchase the stocks. So I'm not going to select any option here, because I'm not going to give any offer to CEO now. And what is mean by referral plan? So either promotional referral or standard referral. So if I am going to refer that CEO to the company, so already company will announce so and so like either bonus referral or promotion referral or any other monetary based referral they will announce. So on that this referral process will not be applicable for these high level positions. So only for executive level or manager level positions we can able to refer the candidates, not for this employees. So I am not going to select this. Why? Because means this is a private job, not public job. If it is like public job, I can check this box. So it is a private job where it is going to be as a confidential manner. And if work shift required, currently no. If you want to inactivate in future, you can inactivate.
Sorry, Priyanka. So, can we view the options that were under the custom company insider type?
I didn't get.
So, can we view the options that is there in the company insider type? Okay, okay,
These are the options.
okay,
These can be defined by ourselves.
okay. Because in our company workday system,
Or
as
every
Sumita
company will
mentioned, it would be
offer
like individual
equal type
contributor.
options in the all levels, right? So this is a optional part to all the organizations.
Okay, okay, got it. Thank you.
And referral payment plan also options to the organizations. Even in some companies, if we refer the candidates also, we don't get anything. So it happened to me also. I have referred 3, 4 candidates in my previous organization. They used to say some referral bonus you will get or some promotion designation you will get. No, at last they will mix with another cons of my performance and all. So finally they will say you are not getting the bonus of this referral and all. So they will say like that. Some companies used to say like that. So say for example pay rate type. If I select United States or India or any other United Kingdom. So what is the pay rate date will be available? So in that particular country, in which mode that you are going to pay the salary, either hourly basis or daily basis or monthly basis or regular or in any other salary basis that you are going to pay. So I am going to pay in a regular basis or you can select as a monthly. If monthly is not available, you can define that, create pay rate type. So I'm going to mention as a regular. So if you want to add another country also, you can accordingly you can add UK or any other. And coming to the status of filling the position, either difficult or hard or easy. So if it is difficult or hard, so if we don't reach the timelines of that filling the position, if once you select the option called difficult, so there is no confirmation that you are going to hire the candidate on the mentioned date, so that will not happen. So if you select easy but still you are not able to fill the position, what will happen? That time your performance will be escalated. So what is the reason for not filling the candidate? Even the process of filling is easy, so that time we can able to explain the reasons accordingly. So for now I am going to select it as a difficult and it is like a critical job. And this compensation grade profile I will explain later after done with the topic of compensation. And union membership will be applicable for particular countries, USA or UK, like that. So whether it is optional or not allowed or required, so that is based on the country selection. So work study award is nothing but it is applicable for the USA. Some guys used to work along with their higher studies also. That time we can mention this process. And here there are some tabs are there: job exempt, worker compensation score, certifications, competencies, education, languages. As I told you, right, to create the job profile, these are the general data fields which we need to fill, so which is in the optional manner. What is the experience level that you are looking for? Any trainings that you have attended? What are the skills that you are looking into? Responsibilities, languages, education, competencies, certifications. So worker compensation code and job exempt. To be frank, I didn't work on this job exempt and all. Okay, so any minimum wages that we can give or any overtime regulations for that particular position. So that things we can add over there. So any rights or protections. Okay, other than salary, whatever we are providing, those things we will give. Sometimes worker used to work for overtime also. Sometimes he will work on the holidays time also. So what is the like monetary that we are going to announce to him? As per this Labor Standards Acts. And so even normally in my organization also we do have compensation codes for workers in numeric based. So it is optional to the country to country. In our country we will not have any. In India there is no worker compensation codes to describe. And finally say okay. Regarding compensation grade and grade profile, I'll explain later. Now we have created one job profile. Create for CTO also. Create a job description, job classification for CTO. The same process we need to do for job classification for CTO also. Global CTO. Here also I am going to give only one position for CTO and done. Remaining no need to create job family and job level. Oh, I given spelling mistake. So to view and to edit the job classification, edit, say OK and done. Okay, so what is the set string for to view the all job classification? Just type job classification. Right. So what is the job summary? So to show the example, I am taking the details and all. So sometimes it will not take. Here it will take, I hope. Fine. So here the management level is nothing but either we can take like either board of directors. So normally if you are going to create a chief CTO and CEO, CO, CAO and all, so normally we used to have chief positions like that. We do have like chief management, but here we don't have the option called CTO. For now I am going to select as a executive vice president or vice president. That is our wish. So even though even like he is a executive vice president, but taking care of technical related as a CTO. The job category I am going to take it as a direct labor, and of course I am not going to select the options of all these, and period type also. It is like bit hard. So once we complete the topic called compensation, again we will edit the job profiles to call the compensation grade and compensation grade profiles for these positions. So we have created job profiles for position management. Okay, this is for position management. And for job management also we need to create the same process, and we need to recreate the family and levels. Up to this, any questions? Remaining job profiles we will create tomorrow, and we will cover the topic called compensation theoretical part. If we have time, then we'll create the components and all of compensation. Any questions? Everyone is clear? Rekha, Raja, Kiran, Bhagiraj, Murugavel, Leslie, Sumita?
No question.
No question from me.
Very good.
I would say not 100% Priyanka, but once we look at the flow,
Exactly.
then everything may fall in place.
Right. So, and that too, if we get questions also, I will say one answer only. I mean, like, let me complete the remaining topics, then you guys can able to understand the flow of the process.
Yeah.
Okay. So and Monday onwards, Joseph, we are going to take Monday onwards 8 to 9 class.
8 to 9, yes, yes. Sorry, I didn't call you today because of some
No problem.
meetings. So,
Even
anyways, I'll
I was busy the whole day. Actually, my client meetings and all going on today and tomorrow also.
okay. Yeah, we will
Even I,
reschedule it as we agreed between 8 to 9.
yeah.
Yeah.
All are okay with that, right? Your batch?
Yes. Yes.
Fine, fine, fine. No issues. Okay. Any questions to ask? Like general questions or anything? So tomorrow we are going to discuss about the another two job profiles of same. The creation process is same and also the compensation part. Monday onwards, with important class. Of course, these also very important. But Monday, the business process configuration is very important along with that hire process. I want all the team members should attend the classes from Monday onwards on regular basis. Joseph, you please take
Sure,
care.
we'll ensure that. We'll ensure that, Priyanka.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. So again and again, I'm saying instead of seeing videos, the interaction live classes are very important. That's why I'm requesting you guys to participate on regular basis without fail.
Sure.
Right?
Thanks, Priyanka. We'll do that.
Yeah, yeah. So tomorrow we'll meet on the same time. So I'm going to log off like 10 minutes before itself. So due to some other important call that I have by 11:40. So that is the reason. So that's it for today. So tomorrow we'll meet on the same time to discuss about further more topics of the mentioned in the notepad.
Sure. Priyanka, thank you.
Right,
Thank
guys.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Take good care and good night.
Thank you,
Bye.
Priyanka.
Thank you.
Bye, all
Thank
of
you.
you. Bye bye.